Howdy folks. Well, this episode's been a long time coming. Had to wait for all the stupid snow to go away, the cold to go away. Today we're going to be blowing apart the front suspension, taking out all the old bushings, sanding down the components, and coating them. And then start on the frame rails and sand those down and getting those coated. Got a lot to do in a short amount of time to do it, so let's get to it. Gonna roll it back quite a ways here so we can clean up all the leaves and other stuff underneath, and then that way it gives me clean space plus a little more room. So we're gonna get this pushed back a little further. First step is we're gonna jack it up and then put it on stands and let the beams drop, and yeah, we're just gonna undo the bolts, bushings, see if everything new fits and is the correct OEM replacement, and then I don't have to send anything back. Then just enjoy the time lapse, because I'm just gonna show me tearing everything apart. So that's another kind of, I'm just being,
Oh, that was my thumb. Oh my Lanta. Oh, that freaking hurt.
here's my infinite wisdom thinking ahead. I placed the truck perfectly, didn't I? It's got enough room to clear it on that just barely. Not really, and then the oil can's in the way on this side, so we're gonna have to remove that, and then that'll give us enough room to squeeze by. Think ahead, people. Wow, talk about the shock. Bushing was really bad. Good morning, everyone. It's been a week. We're gonna finish this up, tearing this apart. I think I'll make this a two-part series. So part one will be this teardown, and part two will be sanding and coating. Hope that's okay with you, because you got no choice. Okay, let's get to it. Spring test. Oh yeah, she's still good. Sand that one down too. Heck yeah, boys, we're saving some money. So here's the comparison of the two springs, this driver passenger. So they're just inverted, which makes sense. The insides though, it's strange. They're almost the same. But yeah, I feel like these springs are still in good shape. They don't seem to have lost any of their springiness. Is that the way to put it? All right. I'm not here holding the spring on, right? And I was like, well, how's this still being held? Here's your sign. Get to do it again. That's no breakable. This is a breakable. I'll set that really bad. Got our cheater bar. Oh, yeah.
Go there. Yeah,
No.
we might.
That one does not wanna. This might not work either, but. Come on, girl.
Nope.
Oh, yeah. It's just stripping it out.
Round it off.
Alright, we're gonna give this a shot again with the cheater bar. It's been soaking that entire time, so I'll try it both ways here. Fingers crossed. Nope. No, that's just rounding it off. Try it this way. Come on, girl. Oh, that was my shin. Son of a buttermilk biscuit. Come on. I'm trying different. Ooh. There we go. Ooh. Okay. Well, folks, I know I kind of forgot to hit the record button on the rest of that, but got the I-beams out, spindles, take that to the machine shop, have them punch out the kingpins, get these sanded down. But question for anybody that's taking theirs out, or if they know, I think this was they ran over a log or a rock or something, because this is all bent up, and then, yeah, that cross member is certainly bent up too. So I'm thinking that this I-beam, so this one's the passenger that points out passenger side. This is the driver side. Driver just looks a little more straight. Like, I know they're supposed to kind of arc out, essentially, like this, but it seems like it's, instead of being straight, it's like this to me, compared to the driver's side. You guys tell me, I'm curious. Is it still usable, or is that gonna be excessive tire wear on my passenger side? Other than that, I'm just gonna drop that off right there, disconnect it. Little fucker. Well, she sure does look different, don't she? Yeah, completely suspended in the air now. That's just weird. Alright, that's all I can do this week, so. Well, folks, it's been about a week and a half since we finished off all that. I forgot to make an outro, otherwise this video would have been posted a long time ago. I know I could have just posted it, but I didn't feel like it. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm sure you're wondering where the heck my beard went. Next video will be the sand down of all the components, the chassis, and getting it coated. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the time lapse. Let me down in the comments below if what you'd like to see if I didn't include it, or if something you didn't like, you don't want it. The time lapse was okay, audio was okay. I'm trying to figure out the audio, so let me know if that didn't work out. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Really helps us out. And other than that, yeah, thanks for watching. God bless. Open a cold one. Till next time.